Before we start, let's get everything ready. This tutorial will walk you through 6 easy steps. Step 1. Replace the heat plate module. Skip this step if you purchase the handle tumbler bundle. First things first, grab that orange handle on the heat plate module and pull it straight out. Now, take your new handle tumbler module, line up the 2 side rails with the machine's tracks, and give it a firm push until you hear that satisfying click. You're good to go. Step 2. Power on machine settings. Short press the power button to turn on the machine. Then press custom and switch to mode D. This one's perfect for the handle tumbler. Step 3. Print cut the sublimation designs. The handle tumbler has 3 sections, the top, the middle, and the bottom. This tutorial will leave the middle section and the handle section blank for fast ironing. First, open Locklick Idea Studio. On the right side of the interface, under My Device, select HT-Bront A200 Tumbler Heat Press. Then, under Canvas Size, choose the size of your transfer paper. For the 40-ounce tumbler with handle, select 35, 56 by 21, 5 centimeters. Next, you'll see the cup types listed: 40-ounce tumbler with handle, straight tumbler, and glass. After selecting the 40-ounce tumbler with handle, you will find 5 templates available: upper, handle excluded; upper, full coverage; middle, low; middle, low. Here, we are selecting the upper, handle excluded, template. Now, move to the left side of the interface and click Upload to upload your favorite image. Drag, resize, and position your image to fit within the red lines of the template. Then, click Clipping Mask at the top, and your image will be perfectly cropped to match the top section of the tumbler. If your design includes text, don't forget to flip it horizontally. Next, click File Print, and then Print again to open the print settings. At this point, load your sublimation paper into the printer, making sure the blank side is facing up for printing. Based on your printer model, set the paper size to legal 8.5 x 14 inches and choose landscape orientation. For the paper type, select high-quality glossy paper or high-quality matte paper, and set the print quality to high dot. Then, you can go ahead and start printing. Now we switch back to the canvas and delete the just printed upper template and select the bottom template. Finally, repeat the same printing steps as before, and you're all set. Then, trim along the edge. Step 4. Stick the designs to the tumbler. Now, remove the handle from your 40-ounce tumbler using a screwdriver. We will begin wrapping the lower section, keeping in mind that the paper seam should face toward the handle portion. Use the heat-resistant tape to fix the paper tightly to the cup surface. Secure the top and bottom extremely tightly. This is a crucial step. You can secure the top and bottom with tape. Then add another layer of tape around it. Now, let's attach the upper part of the sublimation paper. First, place one end of the paper right against the handle. Then wrap it neatly around the top section of your tumbler. Secure the paper firmly in place with heat-resistant tape. Don't forget the top and bottom edges. Wrap an extra strip of tape around both to prevent the design from becoming blurry. Once that's done, your sublimation paper is perfectly attached and ready for pressing. Step 5. Wrap load the tumbler. Wrap the tumbler with the heat press mat, making sure both ends are aligned. Once the start button turns green, put on your heat-resistant gloves. Insert the tumbler from the right side, with the open end facing up. Step 6. Heat press peel. Short press the start button and let the magic begin. When the countdown finishes, the plate will release and you'll hear a long beep. Use gloves to take out the tumbler and heat press mat. Do not place the hot mat on the machine surface. It's very hot. Wait about 30 seconds, then peel off the sublimation paper while it's still warm. Reattach the handle. And just like that, your one-of-a-kind handle tumbler is ready to impress.